Okay, I'm going to restart the launch LAMP stack on my Google Cloud platform. Launch. I'm going to do new accounts, and I'll do something else. Okay, LAMP 455, you name it. And then system description, you can do CS class. And then John, I am going to choose US East 1C. E2 small. Wait a minute, there is an ID. Oh, here ID. LAMP 455. Okay. And A. I don't like that. Okay, deploy. I think it takes time. All right. And after that, we need to click here on my first project. And then click on this. LAMP 1 VM. And SSH. Secure shell. So I need to get a shell from the GCP, so I have that. And first I need to check if there is a web server is created. Oh, wait a minute. I can see what is IP address. This is the IP address, external IP. So I may check here. So Apache 2 Debian is created. Okay. So I will do val, and then there is a www cd html. Okay. So I am going to modify that index.html. If I want to reserve my original index.html, I can do that. HTML and original. By the way, I have to here sudo. Okay, so I have the original version, and then I can work on index.html. And then maybe all the way down. This is a HTML file. I want to go to body. Here's a body. And then there is a right. So I will do lamp host, and I am go to the write out. So Control O, that is the file. If it is saved, then come back here and reload this. So it says Dr. John Yoon's lamp host. And then this is default welcome. There is a base here, right? So I do not want to this whole thing. Right from here, I think all the way. So basically what I want to do is I'm going to change this. It works. Instead of this, I'm going to put something else there, okay? From this and then administrator. See where it is. So I can remove this whole thing. Let's see. Oops. Why is not? Where is? I'm not really quite sure. The control K is cut, so I do Control K. Okay, Control K, Control. I want to cut these things, and Control K. And I want to add something here. For example, our project. So table border equal 1. And I will do another this end of the table. In the table there is a table row, beginning table row and end table row. Okay. So what I actually ask you to do, I ask you to do this. There, your project proposals, I want to put your project proposals here. So you can say H2 project H2. Okay. Control O. I'm going to edit here. First TD, I want to say title, and then second column what is the title? I would just say Smart IoT, simply Smart IoT. Okay, and then Control O, out, and when I see this file again, then I will see here, right? Project proposal, title, and Smart IoT. What I will do, I will, rather than having here border, but I want to put here, I would say let's find out something about HTML table cell background color. So I want to look at this. Here background color, so BG color equal color name. So I'm going to take it. So here BG equal color name. I would put here RGB code. So for example, RGB green, red, blue. Red, green, and blue. So red, I would say 11, green maybe 77, RGB, green maybe FF. So if I do that, and then write out and see how it looks like. So this is the title, right? And then when I do same thing here, background color equal, it's a little bit lighter, I would say. And then I will do similar things again. So TR, TD, background color equals little bit red side, then it'll be FF7711. This is a backward and I would just say objectives, and then td color equals outline only, right? In this case, not really background, but cell outline. How can I do that? So cell outline color, table border color of cell in HTML. This is good. So this I need to something else. How did you color HTML? This is the CSS. Let's do the CSS. I want to find this something more handy ways. Border color, table TD border. Forget about it. Let's make it simple. Okay. So in this case, background, I would again little lighter than that. So AA 7711, and then we need to do here, close that tag. Instead, I want to put here some of the text. I'm going to bring some of my research paper. Let's say if I can get some of the research paper, and I would say here, simple ones. What is this? Copy. Oh, it is already there. Very long. I didn't know that. I'll stop here. And then write out. Simply, I want to see how it works. Okay, it's something like this. Okay, I have a title, smart IP, and objective. And what I ask you to do is to give there not only that. Now we need to do another tr td where there is a objectives and detailed description. And then you can do detailed description there. td detailed description. And I want to put everything that I made. And another row, table row, will be system architecture. You can enter something about your case. And another table row, it would be deliverables. So what do you want to deliver at the completion of this project? So expected system needs to be described there. And then finally, developer. Developer is John Yoon. Okay. Write out. And I want to decorate a little bit here. So background color equals maybe CC. By the way, you need to have a pound sign here. What did I do? Okay, here. Okay, so I'll write it out and see how it goes. So now we know this, right? I'll write out that a little further. So background color equal pound sign AA. Control O out, and it'll be like this. Okay, so I want to put here, instead of it works, I want to put there your proposal catches. So rather than say it works, I want you to say some catches. Where is it works? Okay, here it works. Instead of it works, I would say be smart. Any catches that you want to do. Okay, so it'll be like this. Be smart. And your project proposal should be here. You can make more rows as you wish, but at least I want you to put here objectives, detailed description, system architecture, and then deliverables. Okay, for deliverables, I would say for example, unordered list, li server so you're going to deliver URL which reaches the web server at Google Cloud platform. So another item, URL to show a number of APIs, each of which my laptop Python code can access to run my SQL database. Of course, you have to show running on laptop Python codes, and also Raspberry Pi's Python codes. Another UL. TCP connections. And I want to close that UL, and also I want to close the outer UL and write out and see how it looks like. So when I run that, yeah, deliverables like this, right? You see it doesn't look good, so I want to put here background equals, let's see, 334455. 554433. All right. This is a deliverable, right? This is. If I want to a little bit lighter than that, see what I should do. RGB. I think I need to put here all lighter. Little less color of the little less density of red colors. See what happens. Oh, there is more green. Okay. Yeah, something like this, okay? So that's what I ask you to do.